Stories have been written of mothers' lives. Still, there are mothers whose life stories are most intriguing and almost impossible to fully narrate and appreciate. Such is the life lived and legacies left behind for generations by late Ezinne Margaret Anyanwutaku, who passed on at the age of 93 years. The final journey of late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret udeafor Anyanwutaku, Nnekwu, known as Oyibo kwesili, Mama Nnekwu, who hailed from Uke in Idemili local government area of Anambra State, commenced with her remains leaving Iyen Hospital Mortuary Ogidi to her late father's house in Oba Village, Uke. Friends, families, and well-wishers all gathered to pay their last respect to a woman who made her mark in the sands of time. Lying in state took place at her husband's house, Omuanugo Village, Ogidi. Thereafter proceeded to St. Andrew's Anglican Church, Ogidi, for the funeral service. The Bishop of Niger Diocese, Bishop Owen Chidozie, also the Bishop of Afikpo Diocese, Dr. Paul Udogo, among other priests, were present at the church service.
Yes, way you know that.
Jesus Christ kwuru sị na o mere nke ọma, ọ lụrụ ọrụ ọma.
After the church service, late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret Anyanwutaku was laid to rest. Some of the dignitaries that attended the ceremony includes Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate in the just concluded election, Valentine Ozibo, Iwe Alex Ozonyudo, the traditional ruler of Ogidi community, Professor Obioro Okonkwo, CEO, United Nigerian Airlines, the G21 Committee of Friends Club, who came to commiserate with their very own High Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, Obataobie Ogidi, among others.
No, sir. Because that's what question that I like an issue come on whatever. Excellency. I don't expect to call me Obataobie Ogidi. I am your anchorman for today. Working with me here is our monitor. Okay, body back and you know it. You are no monitor. Nice to have you. Ezinne, Nnekwu mama, onye ka na-akwa today. Biko, anyị na-ayọ onye ọbụla nọ abarụ iwe nweke wee rie ya wee ṅụọ wesola iwe kene Chineke maka ezigbo ndụ mama nnukwu dị n'ụwa wee napụ wee naba.
Stop your Ogidi!
I'm here to commiserate and support my dear brother Obataobie Ogidi, a man of impact, somebody who we respect dearly. Of course, having lost his mother, yes, at a ripe age, but nonetheless, it's a death that will always leave a vacuum to the family. So I'm here to join the whole world in wishing them well, praying for Mama to be rested in the bosom of the Lord.
Vice President of G21, and we are here because of the Sam Anyanwutaku, our great member. No one there, Margaret Udeafor and I became Kai Panyere, Kai Nonyere, Makanone, Neano, 93 years. Bunde, Machaguri,
Obataobie Ogidi, look at respect, look at what you pronounce up. How can you back at Puji? What if you come mad? You will come open. No pronounce up. You will not. Other current Chief Doctor, the Chief Doctor, the Chief Doctor, when you make a
The children of late Ezinne Margaret, sharing their experiences with their late mother, described her as a woman of passion, integrity, as well as a loving and kind-hearted mother.
Sweetest of moms, a mom like no other. My mother, no word can describe. Compassionate, loving, ever ready to forgive, and full of loveliness that she shared all through her life, from the family of her birth to her marriage, down to her grandchildren.
A wonderful lady. I don't even know where to begin because she's such a lovely woman, and that everybody will wish to have as his or her mother, because she's very kind-hearted and she's a loving lady, always ready to forget and forgive whoever that offends her. You understand? So we are really going to miss her presence, you know, because she's just one of those women that you can say, this woman is almost perfect.
So Grandma came to the U.S. 14 years ago, and she came to live with us, and she's just so full of joy and love, and I miss her so much. And she's easily the most positive person that I know, and she just makes everyone's day better. Everyone that I've met, they always say the same thing. I love your grandma. She's so funny. And even though my friends can't speak Igbo, like the faces she makes, or like when people look nice, like it just makes you feel good about yourself. And I miss her so much. She's just so nice. And
around the time I graduated college, she came and lived with us in San Antonio. And when I started working, I was in my off season, I would help out. So I would spend a lot of time with her for the next 5-6 years. So our interactions was, helping her take her medicine, eat, change her, and just, we spent a lot of time and just joked with each other.
In-laws and many groups also came the next day to pay their last respects to Mama Nnekwu and commiserate with the family.
Ladies with the swag and style, believer. We appreciate your presence. Please, you are welcome. Men of timber and on your family. On your family. Yes.
On Sunday 9th April, a Thanksgiving service was held for the late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret udeafor Anyanwutaku at St. Andrew's Anglican Church, Ogidi. His children, family members, friends and well-wishers all gathered to be part of the church service. The late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret Anyanwutaku was married to late Chief Gabriel Onwegusi Anyanwutaku, Ogbuefi Chinyelugo one of Uru, with the marriage blessed with 7 illustrious children, of which High Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, Obataobie Ogidi, is among, with many grandchildren.
She's an extraordinary person. She's an extraordinary mother. She's very kind to fault. She was a good Christian. She was a good mother who cares not only for us, she cares for everybody. When she cares for the orphans, she loves to give. She was a very peaceful woman, a wonderful mother. So I thank God for giving us, for creating our mother and granting us the privilege to be her children. And we wish we meet her again. And I pray in the next world that I'll be lucky and happy to be her son.
A befitting burial was indeed given to Mama Nnekwu as they celebrate her life and praise for eternal rest. They still look forward to a great future of living out the legacies of their late mother, who will forever be in their hearts.